Family don't mean shit. I don't talk to my brother. I don't fuck with my sister. My cousin, he a snitch. My father never been shit, but a buster. I love by bubble. She a hustler. We came for the bricks. We came from the bricks. We came from the bricks. We came from the bricks. I ride with that toolie, just in case a nigga lurking, just in case a nigga heard it, just in case a nigga seen it, seen what I just bought, seen what I just caught, just in case a nigga hating, sit a nigga ass of Satan, but listen to what bro was saying. I do not fuck what you do, you are not family to me. I am related to you, but you do not mean shit to me, and I'm still gon' clutch on my tool whenever you come around me. And I know I'm related to you, but I don't want your ass around me. Why you niggas be acting like hoes? Why you niggas wanna hang around Zoe? Cause you know that we got all the dough, cause you know that we got all the hoes, and you already know how I am, and you think that it's cool cause you fam, but I cut your ass up like a lamb. Hey, hold up, why all you niggas wanna be fam? We came for the bricks. We came from the bricks. I said we came from the bricks. We came from the bricks. Family don't mean shit. I don't talk to my brother. I don't fuck with my sister. My cousin, he a snitch. My father never been shit, but a buster. I love by bubble. A hustler. We came for the bricks.